So to construct a simple pumpkin catapult or any catapult, you're going to want to start by constructing the lever first. So I usually take about 2 popsicle sticks, put them on the back of the spoon, and then we're going to secure them with a rubber band. You're going to want to get it extra tight so that spoon doesn't come off. And this is also where some of your younger students may want to add some masking tape as well. So now that we have our lever.
So boys and girls, see how she put rubber bands there? Just like she said, we want you to use tape instead of rubber bands. So go ahead and put 2 sticks with the spoon and put the tape over it. Make sure the spoon end has no tape though. All right, let's see.
Where our goal is to try to lift it up so that we can push it back with our pumpkin. So we're going to want to have something that wedges between these 2 sticks. So we're going to build a wedge. Very quickly, you just stack your sticks.
Looks like she stacked about 4 sticks to build her wedge.
And kids are going to realize that the more sticks they stack, the higher that lever is going to be raised up.
And then right here, we're not going to have rubber bands, so let's see how we can use tape.
Which means it will push back further, and the farther their pumpkin will travel. So once you have that stack, it's very easy to squeeze between those 2 sticks to lift up that lever.
And what I'm thinking is maybe tape on the ends, since we don't have rubber bands, to keep them in place.
You can take your pumpkin and put it on the spoon, gently push it back, and wedge.
Whoa! All right, your turn.